Today, we're re-journeying to the sun-drenched savannas of Africa to uncover the secrets of one of its most iconic animals, the zebra. We see them all the time in documentaries, but how much do we really know about these striped horses? Get ready, because some of these facts might just surprise you. First up, let's talk about those famous stripes. For the longest time, we thought they were for camouflage, to blend into the tall grasses. But recent studies suggest a wilder theory. The stripes are actually a natural fly repellent. Biting flies like tsetse flies seem to get confused by the black and white pattern and have a harder time landing. It's like wearing a built-in all-natural bug spray. Imagine that. Ears. A mind-blower. Are zebras white with black stripes or black with white stripes? The answer lies in their skin. Underneath all that fur, a zebra's skin is uniformly black. So, technically, they are black animals with white stripes. The white fur is simply a lack of melanin pigmentation. It's a fun little piece of trivia to share with your friends. Now, let's debunk a common myth. We often think of zebras as just wild horses, but they're actually quite different. For one, their social structure is incredibly complex. A group of zebras, called a dazzle or a zeal, is usually made up of a stallion, several mares, and their young. These family groups are extremely tight-knit. They groom each other, and the foals recognize their mothers not just by sight and smell, but by the unique sound of her call. And while they look similar, each zebra stripe pattern is completely unique, just like a human fingerprint. No two zebras are exactly alike. Scientists believe this helps them recognize each other within the herd. A foal can identify its mother in a massive group of hundreds or even thousands of zebras just by her specific stripe pattern. It's their own personal barcode system, designed by nature. Here's something you might not see in a nature documentary. Zebras have a pretty sophisticated communication system, too. They use a range of sounds, from high-pitched barks to horse-like snorts, to communicate with each other. A bark can signal a greeting or a warning. They also communicate through body language, the position of their ears, for example, ears pinned back flat against the head. That's a sign of an angry or defensive zebra. Ears standing straight up. It's alert and listening for danger. And speaking of danger, zebras are tougher than they look. When threatened by predators like lions or hyenas, they don't just run. A cornered zebra will deliver a powerful kick with its hind legs, strong enough to seriously injure or even kill a predator. They also have a surprisingly powerful bite. The herd works together, forming a defensive circle around the young and vulnerable to fend off attackers. It's a beautiful display of cooperation and courage. Unlike their horse cousins, zebras have never been truly domesticated. Why? Well, they have a very strong flight instinct and are much more aggressive and unpredictable than horses. Their ducking reflex makes them incredibly difficult to lasso, and they've evolved for millennia to be extremely wary of predators, including humans. They're a true symbol of the wild, untamable spirit of Africa. So, the next time you see a zebra, remember there's so much more to them than just their stripes. They are intelligent, social, and resilient animals with a rich and fascinating secret life. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.